Hi, I'm working on a 1970 Chevelle with M46 option on it, which is light monitoring system. And this has fiber optics in it that if you cut into the wires, you'll bugger it up like I did. But that's what the fiber optics looks like when it's working. So I've got to figure out a way to splice those wires back together. Stupid mistake, but I never really had any idea that there was such a thing as a light monitoring system that monitors left and right signal lights and high beams. I'm going to post this video on YouTube, and I'm hoping that somebody out there is going to have some advice on how I can splice these fiber optic cables back together. See, that's what the cable looks like. It's got plastic strands inside the sheath, and it's about 50 millimeter sheath and about 25 millimeter bundle of fibers. So we'll see if anybody's got any advice on that, and I'll carry on with my project of refurbishing this car.